Hello all, welcome back to Foodie Zest. Today let's see how to make squid roast. Let's see the ingredients needed. We need around 200 grams of squid. I have washed them thoroughly and have cut them into rings. Wash them thoroughly with water and salt. Then we need 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Then we need 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 1 small sized tomato. I have cut them into thin slices. Then 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger. I have finely chopped both of them. Then 3 to 4 green chilies cut into halves and a handful of curry leaves. Then we need coconut oil, some salt and freshly ground pepper. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you like the taste of coconut oil, please do use coconut oil because any roast tastes best when it's made with coconut oil. Now the oil is hot. Let's add the ginger and garlic. I have finely chopped them. If you want, you can crush them instead of chopping them. So I'm adding ginger, garlic and the green chilies. Saute them for a minute. After a minute, let's add the curry leaves. Once the garlic and ginger are sauteed well, let's add the chopped onions. Stir everything well. Add some salt while sauteing so that the onions will be cooked faster. Let's cover and cook it until the onions become slightly brown. Keep checking in between by stirring. Keep the flame on medium. After 3 to 4 minutes, the onions have cooked well. Now let's add the spice powders. The turmeric powder goes in first. Then the coriander powder, chilli powder. Give it a mix. And let's saute them until the raw smell goes off. It would take a minute or two. Now let's add the tomatoes. Have cut the tomatoes into thin slices. This helps in cooking the tomatoes faster. So again, let's cover and cook. So within a minute or two, the tomatoes will be mushy and we will get the required consistency for the gravy. Now let's open the lid and check the gravy. Now you can see the tomatoes have become soft and mushy. Just give a nice mix and combine everything well. And it's time to add our main ingredient, that is the squid. Add the squids and mix everything together so that it's well coated in the gravy. Mix everything for about a minute or two. Once everything is well coated, let's cover and cook it for about 5 minutes on medium flame. You need not add any extra water while cooking squid. So after 5 minutes, you can see the water has oozed out. Give a nice mix. Now let's add the garam masala. It's always better to add garam masala in the final stage. This enhances the flavor and aroma. And let's also add the freshly ground pepper. Mix everything together. While cooking them, if you feel like they are too dry, you can add little water. Now let's add some salt required for the squid. We have already added some while frying the onions. Let's cover and cook it for about 15 minutes on medium flame. So after 15 minutes, you can see how well the roast has become. Allow the gravy to be little dry. Now after 5 minutes, you can see the roast has come out well. If you want to make it more dry, then you can cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes without covering with the lid. For me, this is the perfect consistency for squid roast, so I'll switch off the flame and transfer it into a serving plate. Here is our tasty and spicy squid roast. This is a treat for the seafood lovers and all the non-veg lovers. You can serve it as a starter or even as a side dish for any rice varieties or rotis or any kind of appams. So please do try this recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to press the like button and share your comments and feedbacks in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me and like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Let's meet again with a new interesting recipe. Till then, it's bye from Foodie Zest.